Hello, welcome to the next video in our series here for the TattleTale CMMS. Today we're going to create a new work order. We're going to click on the new work order. We're going to create a new service type, and we'll do both of these one at a time. First thing we'll do is create a non-machine work order, which was added to allow for facilities or whatever else of a non-machine service type you wanted to add. You'll notice it automatically creates a work order. It already tells you the service type is non-machine. We're going to select a shift, pick shift 2, and we're going to put fix front door. The only thing that comes to the top of my head right now. The two things that is required, of course, is the problem. Of course, why make a work order if you don't know what the problem is? And it must be assigned to somebody. This case is Jim Jones. It's going to send an email work order to Jim's email address, if email is allowed on the server, of course. In this case, we're going to, well, we could add an employee. Again, you must be an administrator, and a regular employee can't do that, so we're going to cancel that out. So we can't add employees, only members of management or the administrative team can do that. I can tell it to email the work order, which will override anything else on the server that says do not send emails. I can print the work order. I can save the work order. So in this case, we want to save the work order. Now you'll notice over here, the work order is generated. It tells you the fixed front door. You can't really see it too good from here. Now, if I wanted to create another work order, another non-machine work order, I'd click yes, but in this case, I'm going to click no, and when I do so, the screen will automatically close. So let's do that. Okay, so we just created a non-work order, a non-machine work order, pretty simple. Pretty popular in the plastics industry is a mold change, so we're going to create a machine work order for a mold change. Brings up the new work order screen, automatically selects mold change. However, if you change your mind, you don't want it to be a mold change, we give you the opportunity to change it here. It'll save it as the right service type. In this case, we're going to use machine 29 just for the heck of it. We're going to select the shift. It's going to be done on shift 1. Problem, let's put change mold to mold number 12334. 12234. We can add a solution. We can add notes. Those are not required. However, it must be assigned to somebody. In this case, I'll pick myself just to show that it works. Automatically will allow me to bring my email address up just in case I want to send a work order. Same thing. If you're not a member of the administrative team, you cannot add employees. I can print the work order, or I can save the work order. It's same as the non-machine. It's saving the work order as we speak. Sometimes it takes a second. It just generated it. But it didn't put the work order image over there. I don't know if it's still busy. Let's give it a minute. If it don't work, we'll go back and debug it. In this case, it did work. Just took a second. Same as the other one. We do not want to, I don't want to make a new one, or I could. In which case, I'd go back, and it doesn't have to be a mold change. It could be any other thing. Over here, you can see that changed mold to number 1234. Up here, you can't really see it too well, but it tells you who it's assigned to. And in this case, we're going to tell it we do not want to make another work order. So we'll click no. That automatically closes. The work order is made. And that concludes this short video. You can see how simple it is to, well, I'll tell you what, let's look into create new PM work order while we're here. This one I think we're going to do on a separate video because it's a lot more complex. So this gives you a brief overview of what the new PM screen looks like, but we will save this for a different video. So that kind of concludes it. again, have a good day.